Are you in need of top-notch electrical wiring harness design services? Look no further because SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is here to fulfill all your requirements. Based in Marathahalli, Bangalore, this company is a leader in the field of electrical wiring harness design. With their expertise and experience, they have successfully completed numerous projects and have gained a reputation for delivering high-quality designs. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of a well-designed electrical wiring harness. It plays a crucial role in ensuring the smooth functioning of electrical systems in various industries such as automotive, aerospace, and manufacturing. Their team of skilled engineers and designers work diligently to create custom wiring harness designs that are not only efficient but also meet the specific needs of their clients. What sets SCON Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other companies in the industry is their commitment to excellence. They have a deep understanding of the complexities involved in electrical wiring harness design and strive to provide innovative solutions to their clients. Their attention to detail and focus on quality ensure that every design meets the highest standards. One of the highlights of choosing SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is their customer-centric approach. They believe in establishing strong relationships with their clients and working closely with them throughout the design process. This ensures that the final product meets the exact requirements and specifications of the client. Their team is always available to address any concerns or queries that their clients may have, making them a reliable partner for all your electrical wiring harness design needs. Another advantage of working with SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is their extensive knowledge of industry standards and regulations. Are you in need of top-notch electrical wiring harness design services? Look no further than SCON Design India Pvt Ltd, the leading company in Marathahalli, Bangalore. With their expertise and innovative solutions, they are the go-to company for all your electrical wiring harness design needs. SCON Design India is renowned for their exceptional services and excellent customer satisfaction. They have a team of highly skilled professionals who specialize in designing and creating top-quality electrical wiring harnesses that are tailored to meet your specific requirements. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is a pioneer in the field of electrical wiring harness design. They have years of experience and have successfully completed numerous projects across various industries. Whether you need wiring harnesses for automotive, aerospace, or industrial applications, SCON Design India has got you covered. Their team of experts is well-versed in the latest industry standards and regulations, ensuring that your wiring harnesses are not only reliable but also compliant with all safety guidelines. What sets SCON